Hi guys, Brian here. Just did an Instagram share post, whatever they call it. It may get transferred into the Quant Labs Net Facebook page, so this stream will end up in there as well. Okay, so what I wanted was talking about in that stream was the capabilities of MotoWave with the 3% move. And let me just see if I can set it up here on my screen here. So there was a 3% move with Ethereum Classic, and it's pretty exciting to see this workflow move or work. I've done enough videos in the past. I'm not going to go into it, but here's the big one. Right here is Ethereum Classic. You hopefully see that up move there, and this Ichimoku seems to work pretty good, and it's pretty exciting because that's a 3% move, and that's Ethereum Classic in USD. So that was called out earlier today from my process that I'm testing. Seems to be working pretty good. Let me see if I can pull up the also the what am I looking for here? Euro against Canada. So here, just give me a second. This is now 4x on MotiveWave. Right there, that big bar. They've been added as well. So this appears to be kind of working, and it's exciting. These harmonics are been doing really well. They're not exactly 100% obviously, but they're doing good. So I'm able to generate email alerts from this. These are 4-hour charts. I think 4 hours is a good time period. You're still getting enough signals throughout the day. Obviously today being Friday, I'll be able to wind down the Forex and wind it back up on Sunday night. I'm already getting one call. It's saying that this pair will move come, actually I'll show it to you. Again, right here, this is Euro Canadian. See that big cloud, the green cloud moving up? That's going to take place, if I'm not mistaken, here, just right around there, roughly December 10th. So December 10th, I'm not sure when that will take place, but it seems to be working pretty good. So and I can generate signals from that as well. So what I'm going to be doing is I will be adding an email alerts into my quant analytics service. On top of that's going to be able to be emailed out to folks that sign up for this stuff. And also I'll be putting together on the crypto side, the bridge, be able to take those emails in and then process them and then generate orders for that into both either Binance US or Binance out of Asia, which the Americans don't have. But it's powerful because if you get a 3% move, nobody gives that. So there's that. So one other thing I mentioned in the previous video or stream is the capability to do money exchange on using Binance and other crypto exchanges and using something like Ethereum, because Ethereum is much faster. I think the blockchain fees virtually tiny, and you can now move money from USD into with the blockchain, let's say Ethereum, and then be able to move it into whatever you want. Ruble, Binance, you could do that. Pound, British pound, you could do that. You could do that with Euro. You could do that with also now through Kraken, Swiss franc. So a lot of amazing advancements here, and you're cutting out the middleman when it comes to the currency exchange because of Ethereum and sorry, because of the where crypto's at right now, and I'm sure it's going to scare a lot of governments because they can't control this. And they'll be able to maybe try to control the access points, but I don't see how they can stop it. So it's all exciting, and this stuff is going to be good too. So let me just show you what we got brewing right now. I'll be putting up the programming for the bridge, the Python between Python and the crypto and the signaling that you can get from MotiveWave right here. This is on my Shopify store. You can get that through my quantlabs.net. Looking for the shop link at the top. So there's this. This is going to be really powerful. Of course, this will go up in price as value builds. The other service that I've broken out from that membership earlier this week, which is the Quant Analytics. Let me pull that up. So this one, again, my Shopify store here, Quant Analytics, that's the 3-month access. But as I've said in my other stream, you'll be able to get all the files that come from my MotiveWave, drop them into your own MotiveWave, and get instant, no programming involved, exact same indicators and everything that I'm using, and be able to run your own alerts as well. Pretty powerful stuff. And obviously things will be changing. It didn't take me very long to figure this combination that works. I don't think I'll be publicizing this a lot with new stuff that's hopefully even better. I'm also looking at MATLAB again. Right now I'm just going to leave it at that. And then lastly, about the courses, really the course that would really help you out is this one, the Python. This one here, Algor Trading Infrastructure Cryptocurrency Bot. That's the price right there. So pretty affordable in that I can use that technology to build up my own Python stuff. And I'll walk you through all the different frameworks to help you build out your own trading bots, because I can run these bots anytime and have them live trade. And I should have done it for the last 2 days, and I missed out on that opportunity because the crypto is doing extremely well. But on the other hand, I might just run them in the background, and if they lose, they lose, and then layer this stuff, what I'm doing with MotiveWave, on top of that. So, I'm going to see where we're at and fire it all up maybe tonight, tomorrow, and keep you in the loop on Facebook. Okay, thanks for watching, and hopefully we shall talk to you later. All right, bye.